how to join a sub club on Subway. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the sub club to get more gifts and rewards in the Subway website. So, let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome and then head over to subway.com and tap on Sub Club. It's at the top, and you can tap on Join Now. So, uh, after joining the sub club, you'll get various offers and rewards from Subway after purchasing the meals. So you can put in your first name, last name, your email address, password, your phone number, your birthday, and then you can tick on I would like to receive news and offers and agree to the term and conditions, and that's it. You can join the sub club. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.